Aviation brings the world within reach, connecting people, cultures, and businesses near and far. But who makes this dream a reality every day? As an operator or fleet owner, your core purpose is to fly passengers and cargo with maximum efficiency and in total safety. Ready to seize every opportunity, you keep a constant eye on your costs and competitiveness. You develop your activities in a sustainable and responsible way, open to the world and looking towards the future. At AFI KLM E&M, we share your passion. We understand your challenges. We embrace your ambition. And above all, we prove every day that maintenance means performance. That's why AFI KLM E&M is trusted by hundreds of airlines around the world. We are a recognized leader in maintenance, repair, and overhaul services. With a comprehensive multi-product offering covering all our customers' operational needs throughout the entire life cycle of their aircraft, with a global presence and state-of-the-art industrial resources. But beyond the figures and raw capabilities, what matters is how we think and deliver our services. As an MRO provider backed by major airlines, we have an in-depth knowledge of fleet operators' needs. We've mastered the art of integrating operational constraints with expertise in optimizing maintenance programs, both short and long-term, and experience in dealing with the unexpected, whether this involves planning ahead or reacting in the moment. We design creative solutions to maximize the availability of your fleet. Adaptiveness is our trademark. We design tailor-made solutions mobilizing all or part of our resources and know-how according to our customers' needs. Using a partnership-based approach built on trust and transparency, we draw upon the strengths of our worldwide MRO network to guarantee proximity and responsiveness, with subsidiaries and joint ventures to concentrate the best skill sets as close as possible to your operations, with logistics and storage resources that ensure you have the right part at the right time in the right place, and the ability to deploy our teams and resources wherever your fleet requires them. Innovation is our driving force. Because each operator is unique and each situation different, we are committed to constantly imagining new solutions to help our customers meet their specific challenges. Through our exclusive innovation program, the MRO Lab, all of our engineers, technicians, and mechanics are committed to advancing the MRO industry on a daily basis, to design new, more efficient tools and processes, to shape and integrate the most advanced technologies, to build, alongside our peers and industry partners, the future of aviation. We are convinced that this future will be sustainable and responsible, and we are helping to make it happen by implementing the Air France KLM Group's environmental comments for the benefit of our operations and those of our customers, by reducing our environmental impact as much as possible. 100% airline MRO, 100% adaptiveness, 100% global network, 100% innovation. Trust AFI KLM E&M to provide the best for you.